Meal prepping for people who hate meal prepping. I hate meal prepping, said every overwhelmed, burnt out, health-conscious human ever. Let's be honest, there's something about meal prepping that just feels oppressive. Rows of identical Tupperware, bland chicken breast, Sunday afternoons spent in culinary purgatory. If that makes your soul shrivel, welcome, you're among friends. Because not everyone was born to love the idea of cooking a week's worth of food in one go. But here's the twist. You don't have to love meal prepping to eat healthy. You just need a better story to live by, your own anti-meal prep meal prep. The burnout behind the broccoli. I once bought 15 glass containers and a Costco-sized pack of quinoa because I watched a YouTuber say it would change my life. Fast forward 2 weeks, and those containers were full of regret and fuzzy leftovers. I was eating takeout on a Tuesday night, watching MasterChef, ironically. Sound familiar? It's because traditional meal prep doesn't account for real life. The fluctuating cravings, the spontaneous dinner plans, the day you just need cereal for dinner and no one to judge you. We think failing at meal prepping means failing at being healthy. But that's the myth. What you really need is a system that's flexible, fast, and real-life proof. The anti-meal prep system, that still keeps you on track. If the words, weekly menu, or batch cooking, give you anxiety, try this instead. 1. Stock the building blocks, not full meals. Forget full recipes, just prep the basics. Washed greens, boiled eggs, pre-chopped veggies, a rotisserie chicken or two. A grain, like rice or couscous, in your fridge. A go-to dressing or sauce you love. Think Lego pieces, not IKEA furniture. Now you can assemble lunch in 3 minutes and still feel like a Greek goddess. 2. Rotate 3 core meals, and let the rest be chaos. Pick 3 healthy meals you actually like. Not Pinterest perfect, just doable. Maybe it's Greek yogurt plus granola plus berries. Stir fry with frozen veggies and tofu. Wraps with hummus, greens, and anything left in your fridge. Let the rest of the week be spontaneous. A smoothie here, a sandwich there. You're not running a food truck. 3. Designate a reset meal. This is your emergency parachute. A meal you always have ingredients for. Mine? Scrambled eggs with avocado toast. It's the safety net for the nights you almost hit the drive-thru. 4. Make lazy look strategic. Buy pre-cut veggies. Use frozen fruits. Keep canned beans in your pantry. These aren't shortcuts, they're survival strategies. Don't fall for health guilt. So, is it still meal prepping? Not in the traditional sense. But it is preparing your life for success. The point of eating healthy isn't to become a meal prep robot. It's to feel good, function better, and not burn out trying to be perfect. Healthy living isn't about rules, it's about rhythm. If that rhythm means throwing together random fridge finds while dancing to Beyoncé in your pajamas, congratulations, you're doing it right. Let's be real. Do you actually meal prep every Sunday? Or do you fake it with a drawer of baby carrots and pray for the best? Tell me your lazy but brilliant food survival strategies in the comments. Let's build the anti-meal prep army, one rebel container at a time.